Hello children, I hope you are all happy and healthy today. Welcome to this special English hour. Here we will have lots of fun and learn lots of new things. नमस्ते बच्चों, I hope आप सब स्वस्थ और तंदुरुस्त हैं। इस स्पेशल इंग्लिश आवर में आप सबका स्वागत है। यहाँ हम ढेर सारी नई चीजें सीखेंगे और खूब मस्ती करेंगे। If you would like to have some fun, please stand up and join me in this song. We are going to get on a train and see different things. Let's begin.
Climb on board the Juk Juk train. There are so many things to see. Put your right hand up, then your left hand up. Go Juk 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 Juk. Ooh, what is that? That's an elephant swaying around. Ooh, what is that? That's a kangaroo hopping around. Climb on board the Juk Juk train. There are so many things to see. Juk 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 Juk. Juk 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 Juk. Ooh, what is that? That's a peacock dancing around. Ooh, what is that? Oh, that's a lion. Don't stop. Climb on board the Juk Juk train. There are so many things to see. Put your right hand up, then your left hand up. Go Juk 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 Juk.
I hope you enjoyed singing and dancing with me today. Now, let us learn some new words. Happy, happy, happy. I am happy when it's raining. Sheetal was very happy with her marks. Second word is tired, tired, tired. Suzanne was tired after playing. Nihal wanted to rest because he was so tired. Third word is sad, sad, sad. I feel very sad when someone breaks my trust. Khushmito started crying because he was sad. The fourth word is sleepy, sleepy, sleepy. I feel very sleepy on Sundays. Fifth word is proud, Proud. Proud. My father was very proud of me. The teacher was proud of her students. Great! We learned 5 new words today. Let's revise them. Happy, tired, sleepy, sad, and proud. Very good. Now, children, I would like to ask you a few questions. You have to think and answer. If you were in this situation, what would you feel? अगर आप इस सिचुएशन में होते तो आपको कैसा महसूस होता? First situation. Your mother makes your favorite dish. अगर आपकी मम्मी सबसे मनपसंद डिश आपकी बनाती है. Yes, I would feel happy. Second situation. You got into a fight with your friend. आपकी आपके दोस्त से लड़ाई हो गई है. I would feel sad in this situation. Third, if someone has taken away your toys. अगर किसी ने आपके खिलौने ले लिए हैं. I would feel angry. What were all of these? Happy, sad, angry. ये सब क्या होता है? Yes, these are our feelings. Our feelings are what we feel. ये सब हमारी भावनाएं होती है जो हम अंदर से महसूस करते हैं. Do you think we should express our feelings? क्या आपको लगता है कि हमें हमारी भावनाएं लोगों को बतानी चाहिए? Yes, I think so. I think when we express our feelings with our closed ones, we feel better and safe. हम जब हमारी भावनाएं हमारे दोस्तों या घर में बताते हैं तो हमें अच्छा महसूस होता है. Do you think you should make fun of others' feelings? क्या हमें बाकी लोगों के भावनाओं का मजाक उड़ाना चाहिए? I don't think we should do that. Everyone feels differently for different reasons. We should respect that. मुझे लगता है कि हर इंसान अलग-अलग महसूस करता है अलग-अलग कारणों के लिए. हमें उस चीज का आदर करना चाहिए. Great children. Now, since we're talking about emotions, let us see if you can guess a few. Now, I will show you some faces on the screen. You have to guess what that person is feeling. अब मैं आपको यहाँ पे कुछ चित्र बताऊंगी. आपको मुझे बताना है कि वो कैसा महसूस कर रहे हैं. Let's take an example. How do you think this person is feeling? इनका चेहरा देख के आपको क्या लगता है? ये कैसा महसूस कर रहे हैं? Yes, it looks happy. I am happy. Okay, let's look at another image. How do you think this person is feeling? Yes, I am sad. I am sad. What about this image? I think I am tired. I am tired. Can you guess the next image? Yes, I am sleepy. What about this image? It looks like I am scared. I am scared. Now, what do you think about this image? Looks like I am angry. Now, what do you think about this image? Looks like I am proud. I am very proud. Last image, children. What do you think about this image? Yes, I am shy. Shy. I'm sure all of us feel these different emotions at different places. Now, it's time for another activity. Children, please collect different colors that you have, a sheet of paper and a pencil. We will make a happy feeling card. First, let us draw a circle. Great! Now, can we draw some eyes? Now, let's add a nose. And give it a big happy smile. This is our happy card. Would you like to color it? This is our happy card. I hope you have also colored your card. We can make a lot of different cards. Like this one, tired. Or this one, that is sad. This one is sleepy. This one is scared. This one is shy. This one is angry. And this one is proud. We have made so many different feeling cards. All these are feeling cards. We can use these cards to express our emotions. हम ये कार्ड किसी को देके हमारी भावनाएं व्यक्त कर सकते हैं. I hope you enjoyed this. Now it's time for you to sit back and relax while I tell you a wonderful story. Children, has it ever happened to you that you're having an awful day? क्या आपके साथ कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि आपका दिन बहुत खराब जा रहा है? I once had a very awful day. I first got late to reach my college. Then I didn't even finish my homework. Then my mom made very bad dish. And then I lost my game during playing. It was an awful day and I just went off to sleep. वो दिन इतना खराब था कि एक के बाद एक कुछ ना कुछ गलती होता गया. There is someone else who's also having an awful day. Name is Aku. Aku is very angry. Do you want to know what happens? Let me read a story to you called Angry Aku, written by Vinayak Sharma. When the last school bell rang, everyone was happy and screamed with joy. All except Aku. Aku was angry. जब स्कूल की आखिरी छुट्टी हुई तो सब बच्चे खुशी से चिल्ला रहे थे. सब, लेकिन अक्कू नहीं. अक्कू बहुत गुस्सा थी. Aku, look at the pretty sunflowers, said Appu as they were driving through the field. Grr, they are too yellow and bright. They're making my eyes hot. अप्पू कह रहे थे कि देखो कितने सुंदर फूल हैं, देखो तो सही. अक्कू गुस्से से कहते हुए, अरे कितने पीले हैं, मेरी आंखें दुख रही है. Aku, look at all those monkeys. Appu was saying, pointing at the roof house. Shoo! Go away, said Aku angrily. फिर अप्पू ने उसको बंदर दिखाए जो उनके घर के ऊपर थे. अक्कू और गुस्सा हो गई. शिश, चले जाओ, ऐसे कहने लगी. Here, drink this buttermilk. It will cool you down. I don't want any. At least try a sip. Okay, fine. Aku started drinking, sip by sip, and the glass was empty. अप्पू ने उसको कहा कि ये लो, थोड़ी छाछ पी लो, दिमाग ठंडा हो जाएगा. पहले अक्कू ने मना किया, फिर उसने धीरे धीरे पीना चालू किया और ग्लास खत्म कर दिया. Would you like a vada? Said Appu. No. Akku said. Taste at least. Akku had a bite, then another, and then another. In no time, the plate was empty. Appu ने अक्कू से कहा, वड़ा खाओगे? पहले अक्कू ने मना किया, फिर उसने एक बाइट लिया और एक खाती गई और पूरा प्लेट खाली हो गया. Good girl, very good. Now, will you tell me why are you so angry? Did I do something wrong? No. Did Amma do something wrong? No. Did something happen at school? Maybe. Oh ho. अप्पू ने अक्कू से पूछा कि इतनी गुस्सा क्यों हो आज? क्या हुआ? मैंने कुछ गलत किया या अम्मा ने कुछ गलत किया? अक्कू ने मना किया. फिर अप्पू ने पूछा, कुछ स्कूल में हुआ क्या? तब अक्कू ने बोला, शायद. Would you like to draw it? Here's a nice sheet of paper and crayons. Oh, said Akku. अप्पू ने कहा, क्या आपको ड्रॉ करके बताना है? Aku drew a brick. This is the stupid brick that I tripped over in the morning. Apu said, "You're right. This is a stupid brick." Aku ने पहले एक ब्रिक बनाया और कहा यही है वो stupid brick जिसके ऊपर से मैं गिर गई। अप्पू ने कहा बिल्कुल सही, ये stupid ही है। Then Aku drew a boy. This is Biklu. He laughed when I fell down. Apu said, "You are right. He is a bad boy. He shouldn't have laughed at you." फिर अकू ने एक लड़का बनाया, कहा ये बहुत खराब है, ये तब हंसा जब मैं गिर गई। अप्पू ने कहा सही बात है, उसको हंसना नहीं चाहिए था। Then Aku drew a idli. This is my idli, who fell out of the lunch box when I tripped. ये मेरी इडली है, जब मैं गिरी तब मेरे लंच बॉक्स में से ये भी निकल गई। Then Aku drew a crow. This is a very, very, very bad crow. He flew away with my idli, said Aku. The crow must have been hungry, said Apu. फिर अकू ने एक काला कौवा बनाया और कहा कि ये बहुत खराब कौवा है, ये मेरी इडली लेके चला गया। अप्पू ने कहा अरे बाबा, उसको भूख लगी होगी। And then Aku drew her teacher. This is my teacher. She was very nice. She hugged me after I fell down. But then she pulled my cheeks. It hurts. I don't like it. Oh, it must have hurt you. Yeah, but it's okay now, said Aku. Good. फिर अकू ने अपनी टीचर बनाई और कहा ये अच्छी है। इन्होंने मुझे झप्पी दी जब मैं गिर गई थी। फिर इन्होंने मेरे गाल खींचे, जो मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगता, मुझे दुख रहा था। पर थोड़ी देर में वो दुखान चली गई। Aku, see how well you draw. This is very nice. You are a real artist. Can you draw something for Amma too? Aku gets very happy and she starts drawing and coloring. Here's a mouse and a boat and a coconut tree. फिर अप्पू उसको कहते हैं कि आप इतना अच्छा ड्राइंग करते हो, मम्मी के लिए भी कुछ बना लो। फिर अकू ड्राइंग करना शुरू कर देती है। This is a sunflower, a cycle, a dog. In no time, Aku forgot all about the stupid brick or the boy or the crow. Aku forgot that she was angry. बहुत जल्दी अकू ने बहुत सारी ड्राइंग बना ली और वो भूल ही गई कि वो इतनी गुस्सा थी। Wasn't it an interesting story, children? We saw how Aku was so angry, and then her father asked her to draw everything, so she feels a little better. In no time, she drew so many things and forgot that she was angry. हमने देखा कि अकू कितनी गुस्सा थी, लेकिन बहुत जल्दी जब उसके अप्पू ने उसको चित्र बनाना कहा, तो वो अपना गुस्सा भूल गई और आराम से चित्र बनाने लगी। I hope you enjoyed the story and today's session. Please make a few feeling cards whenever you have time. I will see you soon in the next session. Till then, take care and stay safe. Bye bye.